Thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today I am going to do some glam wall decor. I am using some square plates that I got from eFavorMart, some mirrors that I got from Amazon, some glass glitter that I got from Michael's, and some car trim that I got from Amazon. So what I'm going to do is I am going to glue the mirror to the plate. Then I'm going to use the car trim on the end, and I should have just a little space left between the two, and I'm going to use the glass glitter in that space. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm just taking some of my Fix All adhesive and I'm going to put it on the back of the mirrors. And I put it right in the corner. And you can turn it on the back to see how it's positioned. Now you could leave your mirrors like this and it would be beautiful, but for me, gold is really not one of my accent colors. That's the reason why I'm covering it with the car trim. Now I did do these in an earlier video where I put the mirrors on the back of the plate because it shows it's silver on the back of the plate. So if you haven't seen this video, go back and look at it. Now that the mirror glued to the plate has dried, I'm going to add some car trim right around the edges. Okay, I have the car trim on. Next, I am going to take a little Elmer's glue and go inside the spaces here and just spread it on here. And next I'm going to take the glass glitter and spread it around where I put the glue. These are all finished and dry. I'm using command strips in order to hang them on the wall. And then I'm just going to peel this paper off. And there we have it. As I finished up the mirrors, I realized they looked a little too plain for me, so I added some smaller mirrors and some rhinestone ribbon around the edges. You guys can really get a good picture. Okay. 40 years ago, I was in the hospital on this day, having my one and only child. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoyed your day and your mom loves you. I have like 75% of people who watch my videos but have not subscribed. What you guys waiting on? Stop peeping in and become a member of this family. I am doing my whole appointment, and you don't want to miss out on any of the good stuff because I've got some good stuff coming. I do thank you all for coming back for another video. For everyone who has subscribed and for my old subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And you all have a blessed evening.